Okay, hello. Welcome to today's analysis of the NQ and a little bit of the ES. It is Thursday, the 16th of January. And I took my break yesterday. And yeah, let's see what happened. We had this large move up from news, and we kept pushing up into this area here, which I had marked as liquidity. And yeah, it was interesting. Just before UK, actually around Tokyo close, we just had this kind of expansive move. It kind of caught me off guard. Now we're in this liquidity pocket that I was talking about. The one that I said you wouldn't hear me screaming long when we come up here. And it's still the case. So we have this break of structure here, which is still to me is pretty untested, unproven. And we still have areas in here that we could get some kind of reaction. There's a block here, a 3-minute block. It's structural point. Volume gap there. It's a red vector recovery. I could see them swiping this liquidity and having a pullback. But we do have a lot above us. And there's more news today. So we could swipe down very quickly, hit one of these points of control. And, we could also just keep going up into this pocket here. So this is a break of structure. I'd like to see us pull back eventually into here and base out. That would be nice. I'd catch a few longs off that, I'd say. Immediately, it's just, oh man, I'm not a huge fan of what's going on. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of this. But immediately, I'm looking at this, which I probably just got front ran. I mean, like, I'm just not, my heart isn't really in it today. But yeah, we came up, they front ran my liquidity pool, and then we pulled it back, and now we're front running this block. I mean, this is a large break structure. It took external liquidity before it moved up. I feel like what we've built here could get tested. There's a block here that we could push into. But also we can just completely break down from here. We have some points of control below us. This mitigation is the last point that I like, and they can come all the way down to here and keep going up. They took out all of Asia, all of Australia, except the Tokyo close, which was the move that pushed us up. But like, this was drastic. This is a very drastic move. There is a chance that they ignore this and come up into more supply. And there's also a chance they just bring it down. Look, guys, right here, I don't know. I just don't know. We're sitting around both anchored VWAPs. There's a bullish one here that we seem to be trying basing out on. We came up and sold above the bearish one. We have a past daily VWAP above us, but we did just hit the middle band of the other day as well, right here. So like, it's really mixed. Money flow is looking pretty drastic on the lower time frames. It's looking pretty bearish. But as you move up, there's still space for it to push up. There's still space for it to push into here. We're not getting money flow divs. The higher we work up, we're not getting them. We got a small internal hidden div, which led to this pullback, but like, we have more of a volume gap above us with past daily VWAP up there. Guys, it's just not a place that I'm able to go, yeah, I'm pretty sure about this. Like, we didn't div nicely here with this, but money flow was very thin. I mean, it's just all mixed. It's just really mixed. So I don't really know today. This mitigation could keep us up here. We could range up here. We have some nice VWAPs here. I don't know about this one. US could come in and, US can take out this and keep going up if they want. you know, seeing this break of structure proven, whether it takes a couple of days or it's next week or whatever, I'd like to see that before thinking about taking any longs. But immediately, so we have this little wash here. It took internal liquidity nicely. I do like it. I'm hoping they come back in, div this into this block, and give us some kind of reaction. It would be nice to get that kind of retracement trade. We have liquidity built up here in the form of these descending highs. These guys. There's point of control up here. I'd take profits there if I got into a trade that worked out. This week has been kind of messy, like, so, yeah, like we had this, like, it tapped a vector, but it wasn't even like a proper fair value gap or anything. I couldn't find anything here that prompted this to be the move up, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, I want to see what they do. Like, if we pull back, reaccumulate in this zone, larger time frame, I do see us coming up at least to here, probably even taking this out, and then coming up to this zone I was talking about before. That would be interesting. How long it takes us to get up there, I don't know. Now, if we really do heavily sell around here or here, like, you know, below this, you know, there is a chance we could get a heavier pullback, but we are building, like, we've built a huge curve here. Like, all of this can be lumped together. So at this stage, with how aggressive this move was, if and when we do properly break structure here, I mean, coming for this, or even just coming to take these into this pocket, is something I can see happening. There's liquidity there. There's a lot, and that would give them a lot of fuel. There's a anchored VWAP there as well. That would give them a lot of fuel to have a drastic pullback. Yeah. So for now, we are coming into an area that I think if we did push up, look at that, they're just front running everything, man. This is great. If we did have a lot of absorption in here, I do see like some controlled scalps from this zone. I do see them happening. If we do distribute in here, I could see some moves down, which would be nice, hitting that past steady VWAP, or maybe even just the block that we're right below. This one, this 3-minute one, could get something there. But for now, I'm not a huge fan of what they're doing in general. So, bro, if this is the one that takes us up, I'm gonna be kind of pissed off. Yeah, they could. I don't know. My heart's not in it. That's fine. I'm just gonna let them give me something better. Like, you know, we got this huge vector recovery down here as well. It's just a bit of a minefield at the moment. And yeah, I'm, you know, when trades are good, when the charts work, show you what you want them to show you, that's when you take the trades. And I'm just feeling like I'm just kind of forcing trades if I'm going to be taking them today, or just this week. You know, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just not going to do that. We are getting money flow hidden divs with regular divs and everything. I mean, I could have gotten in on this, but man, like, I just don't like what they're doing. I just don't like it. Yeah, we could get a bounce here into structure, and then after that, I have no idea. It's news. There's just news all this week. It's just messing with everything. The days where there's no news, timing models act perfectly. They hit all the levels perfectly. When there's news, it's just everything's fucking messy. So I'm not going to pull any hair out over the fact that I'm not seeing what I want to see. Anyway, I'll post my charts anyway. Hopefully they help you, but yeah, it's a bit of an off day for me. I just want them to finish whatever they're doing here. Just finish it. Show me some consolidation somewhere useful. But because I'm not digging this mixed momentum shit we got going on here. ES looks the same. ES tapped into this area, took slightly different liquidity than NQ. It's mitigated this zone here, which you could interpret as an SMT if you want to, but it's so nested that I don't know if I would. But yeah, ES looks like it's changed structure a lot more aggressively. Bastards. Yeah. Anyway, that's it, guys. Happy trading if you do trade. If not, then maybe you're a bit more sane. Yeah, just not digging it today, but that's fine. Can't do it every day. All right, peace, guys. Chat you soon. Bye.